Hi, welcome to another video of Joyplanes RC. Today is going to be a simple video than usual, but that's because I've been very busy with a lot of projects. So I've been building airplanes, doing stuff, and you will see on the upcoming projects on this channel. But whatever you do, do not subscribe to this channel unless you want to spend a lot of money on RC equipment and learn a lot about the hobby. Then you can consider subscribing to this channel, and that way we will be on the same team. Anyways, here in Ireland the lockdown has been eased a little bit, so now we can go out to places, open spaces, and also it's only allowed to be 5 kilometers within your home. So I luckily have my club, or the place where I fly, which is in Phoenix Park, and it's within that range from my house. So I went out and flew few of my airplanes, well, 2 of them, and those are the images that you're looking at right now. By the way, to be able to fly legally in this club or in this space, you have to be a member of the club that it's part of the Phoenix Park, and that way you can fly legally. Today I'm actually flying a little bit off the spot where all the members fly normally, and that's because some people were there playing some games or, ball games, stuff like that. So to not disturb the people there having a nice day, I decided to, walk a few meters away and fly from that glider that I'm flying there. It's called Phoenix 2400, which is a coincidence that I'm flying in Phoenix Park. If you are interested in this glider, I've made a review some time ago, so you can check it out. I'll leave it in the description below.